Fried chicken that's brined in buttermilk and pickle juice. Let's get cooking. Measure out 1 cup of pickle juice. Now place that in a large bowl with 1 cup of buttermilk. This is going to work really well for the marinade. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1 large egg. I always crack an egg in a separate bowl to make sure there's no shell. Add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Give this a whisking and now you have the marinade. I find the best way to brine the chicken is to place it in a sealable bag. Now add the chicken pieces to the bag. I usually use tongs just to transport them, it makes it easier. So we're just gonna fill the bag up and then we're gonna seal the bag. Make sure it's sealed because it will leak. I like to tip this on its side and then I just give it a gentle massage. Pop it in the fridge for 4 hours to overnight. Okay, let's make the breading. Add 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cornmeal, add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, give that a whisking together and now you have your coating for the chicken. Using tongs, add the chicken to the flour cornmeal mixture and give it a jolly good dredging. I usually place these on a cooling rack while I'm filling them all up. Preheat your oil to between 325 and 375 Fahrenheit. You can test the oil how hot it is with a piece of bread. Add the chicken to the pan and let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes. It's always a good idea to use a thermometer to make sure it's cooked all the way through. As it cooks, you'll see it go golden brown. Look at all that. Oh, that craggy crust. Oh, it looks so good. I always use flaked sea salt to finish my dishes. As you crunch into that little flake of salt, it sort of gives you a great mouth feel. And then serve it with the pickles. We've got to try this. The buttermilk and the pickle juice work hand in hand together. It helps the chicken get tender and stay juicy. Buttermilk has the perfect acid in it for brining the chicken, and then the pickle juice has the salt, and it's also going to give you that taste that we love when we have pickles. Until next time, always remember, keep it simple. See you soon.